Hello friend, today start with environmental studies part first chapter 12 food for all. See the question first as a what's the solution. See the question, the plant in the pot is not growing well. See the answer the questions, keep the potted plant in such a way that it gets maximum sunlight. Add manure and organic fertilizers to the pot. If chemical fertilizers are to be added, ask the expert about the dosage. Water the plants daily and preferably in the morning. Loosen the soil near the roots. Trim the plants occasionally to enhance the growth. Take care of the plants so that parasitic pests and insects do not harm the plants. If all above care is taken, the plants in the pot will start growing well. Question second, use your brain power. See the question, what is the purpose of storing food grains in our house? See the questions, the answer. In order to avoid daily communicating to market, we store the food grains in our house. Some food stuff is seasonal. It is available only during certain season. This needs to be bought and suitable reserved for storage. Sometimes get may also drop in and we may need more supplies. Some food grains may be sold only at a particular period of time, so that we need to bring them home and store. As a question 3, find and correct the incorrect statement. As a question A, first, there is only one method of farming. Answer is false because there are many ways methods of farming. As a B, India is an agriculture. Answer is true. See the C, use of improved seeds does not lead to higher yield. Answer is false because use of improved seeds leads to higher yields. As a question 4, answer the following questions. As a, what added advantages of using improved seeds? The answer, improved seeds have higher yields. These seeds resist pest attacks. They well and become ripe for harvest in a shorter period of time. Some seeds can give high yields in low water supply too. As a second, B, which are the modern method irrigation? What are their advantages? See the answer, drip irrigation and sprinkle irrigation, modern method of irrigation. Due to the modern method of irrigation, root of the crops get enough water. One can save a lot of water by these methods. In modern method of irrigation, full use in a made of the available water. There is danger of land become saline and fallow when there is overwatering. This can be avoided due to the modern irrigation method. C. Question C. Describe the drip irrigation method. See the answer. In drip irrigation method, pipes with holes are used for giving water to the plants. only required amount of water drips near the plant in these methods. Full use of available water can be done by drip irrigation method. As a D, what are the reasons due to which growing crops are damaged? See the answer. Growing crops in the field can be attacked by diseases and pest attack. If the fertility of soil is reduced, the productivity of field is also reduced. If enough water is not available for growing crops, their growth is stunted. All these factors can cause damage to crop in the field. As E, what is done to avoid damage to the crops? As an answer, to avoid damage to the crops, modern irrigation methods are used to water the crops. To reduce the pests and diseases attacks, the crops are sprayed with insecticides and pesticides. Seed you also of improved quality, and they are rubbed with certain chemicals before sowing. Proper amount of fertilizers used to enhance the growth of the crops. What causes the fertility of the soil is damaged? As an answer, overuse of chemical fertilizers leads to accumulation of excessive chemicals in soil. This reduces the fertility of soil. Overwatering also turns the soil saline fallow. As a question E, what changes has modern technology brought about in this method of farming? See the answer. Modern technology of agriculture uses improved seeds that given higher yields. Modern method of irrigation such as drip irrigation and sprinkle irrigation are used. Organic fertilizer and manures are used to increase the fertility and productivity of soil. Through agriculture assistance programs, farmers are given information and weather forecasts. All these changes have brought about a better yield of farmer. Question H. What are the methods used to preserve food grains? As an answer, the grains are dried well in the sun and stored in sacks. The chemicals are spread on the place where the sacks are stacked. Neem leaves are mixed with the grains to avoid insect attacks. The place where grains are stored is kept dry and airy to prevent it from catching fungus. Question I. How is water made available for farming? As an answer, in India, most of the agriculture is dependent upon monsoon. Along with this rainwater, water from rivers, lakes and wells are used for irrigation process. Dams built of the rivers holding huge quantity of water. Small bunds are also made downstream on the rivers.